Hello and welcome to Satwa. We love sharing meaningful stories about the mind, the world, and life itself. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe.
Walking their dog in the park, suddenly a snake crosses their path and they stop. The presence of snake poses to be a physical threat, hence they stop. So what is threat? Threat is defined as declaration of intention to punish or hurt, indication of something undesirable coming, a person or thing regarded dangerous. You see, threat can be in more forms than just a physical form. One of the conclusions that can be drawn is that threat leads to a deficit of belonging, control, identity, and purpose. Let's see how these work through the following stories. They are happily married couple. The girl speaks in Marathi while the boy speaks in Tamil with their respective families. The common language they communicate is in English. For a family gathering, the couple visits the guy's family. Everything goes on very well. Until later, the family members start talking in Tamil with each other while she's still sitting with them. They continue to talk and gag. This makes her feel isolated in a room full of her husband's relatives, talking in a language that she doesn't understand. She simply feels bad and doesn't even try to speak up. She distances herself from them. The dejection takes over and it threatens her belongingness. He is a class topper and astute student who always works hard. He wants to study in one of the top colleges and is also confident about getting in one of them. He wants to make his parents proud and also be able to bag the best opportunities to kickstart his career after graduation. His eyes fall upon the notice board in middle of all the chaos. He spots the eligibility criteria for 100% scholarship to one of the top colleges. His mark card flashes before his eyes, and alas, his marks fall short. His aspirations for a better future are all broken in that very moment. And with a heavy heart, he never applies for the college application. Here he feels like he has no control over the course of his life. For all the earnesty and hard work, he is at the mercy of the college rules and the higher-ups. He did everything he could, but even that is insufficient. This makes him feel a loss of control over the course of his life, and that actually threatens everything for him. She hopes and desires to be a published author one day, but the antagonistic energy is coming from her parents. They may be worried for her future as they believe that an author has no financial security. Their lack of faith and looking down upon her choice throws her off her boat. She drowns in self-doubt and perhaps questions if she is even capable human being. Her mind is now working like a foggy machine with no clarity of her own self. She is feeling threatened as now she has thoughts that perhaps she is not even a good writer. He is smart and is very good at his job. With an aggressive spirit and calm attitude, he deals with everything and everyone at work. His boss likes him and offers him a brand new promotion. The boss praises him and so does everyone. They all think alike about him. Even after all the sunshine and fireworks, everything dampens and he is laid off from his job. With no job, his life crumbles down. No job, no salary, no EMI, no house, no car, no graduation and future for his daughter. Everything begins to shatter. His heart is broken. His world has collapsed, as everything has always rested on his shoulders. With no job, his purpose seems to be erased and he is feeling lost. So the moral of all the stories is that threat is real. It hampers belongingness, control, identity, and the very purpose of an individual's existence.